Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to integrate Shakebug, a bug reporting tool, into your iOS application. By using Shakebug, you can quickly and easily report bugs and crashes in your app, allowing you to fix them quickly and improve your app's user experience. So let's get started. Step 1. Register to Shakebug. To do this, simply visit the Shakebug website and sign up for a free account. Step 2. Once you've registered, log in to your Shakebug account using your email address and password. Step 3. Navigate to the Projects section in the Shakebug dashboard. Step 4. To add your project, click on the Add Project button. Step 5. Add your project detail. In the Add Project screen, enter your project's name and select the platform, in this case, iOS. Step 6. Generate a key. Once you've added your project, Shakebug will generate a key for you. This key is what you'll use to configure the Shakebug SDK in your Xcode project. Step 7. Configure the SDK. Now that you have your key and your Xcode project, just go to the pod file, and add Shakebug, and run pod install command. It will install Shakebug pod in your project. You can also use Carthage or you can add manual SDK too. Step 8. Once you have Shakebug installed in your Xcode project, then open AppDelegate file add Shakebug. Shared instance. Initiate with key method in onCreate method. Developer can also use other Shakebug method like show tutorial screen etc. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to integrate Shakebug into your iOS app. By using Shakebug, you'll be able to quickly identify and fix any issues that your users encounter, improving your app's user experience and making it more reliable. Thanks for watching.